the fellas from Salvation Army drove up to my mama's today, and she opened the door to her basement. Then they hauled half my childhood away. Well, I let go the lamp with the glitter and the chair that was Naugahyde green. But I paused for a moment when they carried away the old singer's sewing machine. My mama's electric machine, like magic the fabric would change in her hands to the prettiest dresses you've seen on the old singer's sewing machine. There were times she would sew through the evening and well into Saturday night. On Sunday were 3 little dresses with collars of navy and white. Other times it would stand like a castle, and I was its 4-year-old queen. And my subjects were Teddy and Raggedy Ann beneath the old sewing machine. My mama's electric machine, sometimes it would roar like a long-distance train that never did run out of steam, the old singer's sewing machine. Now I'll never buy in a store the love she had sewn in the dresses we wore. So I like to imagine some other who's struggling out there in the world, goes into a Salvation Army with 1, 2, or 3 little girls. Now she walks past the lamp with the glitter and the chair that is Naugahyde green. Then she pauses, she smiles, and she carries away the old singer's sewing machine. My mama's electric machine, like magic the fabric would change in her hands to the prettiest dresses you've seen on the old singer's sewing machine. That old singer's sewing machine.